the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Verizon FiOS. So I'm on Verizon's website here. I am on their press release page. It says that Verizon teams up with Google to offer next generation cloud gaming experience. So if you guys have Verizon, if you guys are thinking about switching to Verizon FiOS for your cable service, you guys might want to check out this offer. So if you guys want to read this article, a link to this will be down below, so check it out if you guys are interested. Alright. So it says here, instantly play the hottest games on Stadia with the unprecedented speed and capacity of Verizon FiOS. So Verizon FiOS is looking for new customers, obviously, and they're gonna offer Google Stadia included. So that's really cool. If you guys don't know what Google Stadia is, it's Google's cloud gaming service. So yeah, it says that Verizon delivers an incredible cloud gaming experience via Stadia, Google's revolutionary cloud gaming platform. Sign up for Verizon FiOS Gigabit and get a free Stadia Premier Edition with 3 months of Stadia Pro for instant access to gaming and up to 4K resolution. So you do have to be a new Verizon FiOS customer to get this offer, and you have to sign up with the Verizon FiOS Gigabit package. Alright. Verizon customers get instant access to dozens of flagship game titles. Alright, so this is really cool. So when you guys sign up for Verizon FiOS Gigabit Internet, you guys will be getting a free Stadia Premier Edition, and you guys will get 3 months of Stadia Pro included. And after the 3 months, it's like $10 a month after that, which isn't bad at all. Okay, so pretty cheap right there. So there's the controller and the Google Chromecast next to it, so you guys will need both. So it's no secret Verizon FiOS is the perfect platform for gamers, and we have now taken it one step further by teaming up with Google for a significant gaming announcement. Verizon and Google are partnering to deliver the best gaming to more gamers than ever before. With FiOS, there's no added surcharges, no broadcast or regional sports network fees, and no surprises. It just works, okay? Starting January 29th, which is next Wednesday, new Verizon FiOS Gigabit Internet customers will get a Stadia Premier Edition on us. Stadia Premier Edition includes a controller, a free 3-month Stadia Pro subscription for access to games in up to 4K resolution, and a Google Chromecast Ultra to enjoy your favorite games on your existing TV. So starting next Wednesday, January 29th, that's when this offer will be available for new Verizon FiOS customers. So what you guys do, sign up for Verizon FiOS Gigabit Internet, and you guys will get a Google Stadia Premier Edition on them. Plus, with the Google Stadia Premier Edition package, you guys will get a controller, a 3-month Stadia Pro subscription trial to try out. Then after that, it's like $10 after the 3-month trial. And y'all guys will get a Chromecast Ultra included, alright? So that's a win. Here's a quote. Says Brian Higgins, Vice President, Consumer Device Marketing and Products. Says FiOS has long been known as the leading internet service for console gaming and streaming entertainment, end quote. Then he goes on to say, quote, with the recent surge in adoption of cloud gaming led by Stadia, FiOS will continue to serve as the backbone for the best cloud gaming services, end quote. Then here's a quote from Brian Mullen, Vice President, Device and Services partnerships of Google, and he says, quote, Google working with Verizon to deliver incredible cloud gaming experience is a great step towards is a great step forward for the industry. Then he goes on to say, quote, Verizon's commitment to delivering fast, reliable FiOS internet matches perfectly with Stadia's exciting new cloud gaming, delivering an unmatched gaming experience, end quote. So that's really cool. So if you guys don't know what Google Stadia is, it's Google's cloud gaming service. So check it out if you guys ain't done so. It says here, Stadia is the perfect way to game without relying on costly hardware and lets you play on all the different screens you use in your life, like your cell phone, computer, TV, stuff like that. So with Google Stadia, you can play on any device you want, your smartphone, any device that has internet connection, you can play Google Stadia on it. Okay. With Stadia, you can instantly play your favorite games over Verizon FiOS or anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. So you do have to have Wi-Fi for this to work. You cannot use your cellular data connection for this, which sucks, but it is what it is. To make your life easier, Stadia works on hardware you and your friends already own, like your cell phone, laptop, and everything like that. So it says to make your life easier, Stadia works on hardware you and your friends already own. So you don't need hardware. Your hardware you have in your hands and in your possession. Google Stadia should work just fine on that. So that includes your TV, your laptop, desktop computer. Select tablets and phones. Grab your controller and in moments you are gaming with your friends. So you're asking what games can you play with Google Stadia? Stadia is consistently adding new flagship titles to its library, and the best part is that you don't need to update your smartphone. You don't need to update your hardware to the latest specs to play them. With Stadia, you can purchase and play your favorite games on your preferred screens without having to wait for a download. And through your Stadia Pro subscription, you get full access to select games, including the complete Destiny 2 experience. Visit Stadia.com for a full list of available titles. Y'all guys can check it out with the second link below to check it out if you guys are interested, so I'll put a link to that. And y'all guys are wondering how much does it cost when you sign up. Well, like I said, when you guys sign up for Verizon FiOS Gigabit internet, you do have to be a new Verizon FiOS customer. You get 3 months of Stadia Pro included in your trial, and after that it's like $10 or something like that. So yeah. So it's a FiOS Gigabit package start at $99.99 per month, and our ideal for a variety is FiOS Gigabit package start at $79.99 per month, and our ideal for virtually seamless entertainment and gaming experiences. New mix and match on FiOS subscribers who choose Gigabit get a brand new FiOS home router featuring Wi-Fi 6 technology included. So when you guys are, like I said, you have to be a new FiOS customer, and if you guys get the new mix and match on FiOS, you choose the Gigabit internet. So you do have to choose Gigabit internet. You will get a brand new FiOS home router that features Wi-Fi 6 technology, which is the newest Wi-Fi right now, so it's gonna be super fast. FiOS internet is fucking fast anyway. Their internet is fucking... Verizon has the best internet, period, in my opinion. From there, you can choose a TV package based on the channels you love, or stick with your favorite streaming services, like YouTube TV, offered free for the first month. Check check out the My FiOS app or visit Verizon.com/mix-and-match to learn more about FiOS Gigabit mix and match on FiOS and how to get a free Stadia starting January 29th. Stay tuned for additional Stadia promotion news for Verizon 5G home internet customers coming soon. So yeah, this is really cool, guys. So Verizon has teamed up with Google to offer Google Stadia to its FiOS customers. So you guys must be a new FiOS customer to get this deal. So when you guys sign up for Verizon FiOS, you guys will get a Google Stadia Premier package included. That includes the controller, that includes the Google Chromecast Ultra, and you'll get 3 months of Stadia Pro included with your service. And then after the 3 months, I think it's like $10 a month after that, which isn't bad at all. Alright, so you have to be a new FiOS customer. So do you keep in mind you have to get the gigabit internet from Verizon FiOS. You guys will get the new Wi-Fi router from Verizon FiOS, which has Wi-Fi 6 on it, which is the newest technology in Wi-Fi, which will give you blazing fast internet. Verizon FiOS has great internet. They have great cable service. I love Verizon FiOS. I know people that use it, and Verizon FiOS is great. I do like FiOS a lot. I think that's better than Comcast in my opinion. Comcast sucks ass. Verizon FiOS is awesome. They have great internet. It is expensive as hell, but you get what you pay for it, and this is a great deal for new FiOS customers. If you guys are interested, if you guys want to try out Google Stadia and you guys want to switch cable companies, try out Verizon FiOS starting January 29th, and you guys can get a Google Stadia Premier package included, which has the controller, the Google Chromecast Ultra, and then you guys will get 3 months of Stadia Pro included, and after that it's like $10. So yeah. So if you guys are interested in this deal, it starts next Wednesday, January 29th. So if you guys are looking to try out FiOS and you guys want to try out Google Stadia in the process, you guys will have to wait till next Wednesday to try it out. That's when the offer will begin. So that's really cool. So if you guys want to check out this article, the link will be down below. That will be the first link. If you guys want to go to Stadia.com, that will be the second link, so check that out as well. So this is really cool, and I think yeah, this is a win. So Verizon FiOS has the internet to provide Google Stadia users with great internet. So that's a win there. Because when you guys use Google Stadia, y'all guys need to have good internet. You guys can't have slow internet. You guys have to have fast internet for Stadia to work. You can play Stadia on any of your devices, your smartphone, desktop, laptop, TVs and stuff like that, tablets and stuff like that. So you can play Google Stadia on almost any device that has internet. So that's a win right there. So yeah. So if you guys are interested in this deal, it starts next Wednesday, January 29th, for new FiOS customers that sign up for the FiOS Gigabit internet 5G home service or whatever. So yeah. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.